on some of the great mysteries of evolution. Why have the birds of paradise become the most diverse, bizarre and beautiful of all bird families? Why have they developed the most extravagant plumes and adornments of any group of living things on Earth, so that sometimes they almost cease to look like birds at all? And why is it that this extraordinary family is largely restricted to one jungle-covered island in the Pacific? Explorers and scientists have been puzzling over these questions for 500 years. Even today, by using the latest filming techniques, we're making new discoveries about their behavior.